I'm in my business account, business.facebook.com stroke ads manager. Once you log in, then the next thing to do is to click on create. Once you create campaign, then click on create. You can name it, or I can click on create new campaign. Let me use create new campaign. Then you can select the type that you want to use, the campaign objective. If you want awareness, traffic, you can see this is awareness. It shows you ads to people who are most likely to remember them. Traffic, you can use that to send people to a destination, either to your landing page view, to your messenger, to your WhatsApp. You can also use engagement. You can use engagement to get more messages, more video view, post engagement, page likes, or events responses. But you can use leads. You can use app promo if you have an app that you want to promote. You can also use sales. But for the sake of this video, I'll be explaining how to use traffic to get people to your WhatsApp. Just click on traffic and then click on continue. After that, you have to name your traffic. You can name it with any name of your choice, or you can also name it with the ads that you want to use. Let me use graphic design, or let me use website design for this. Website design. You can clean new traffic campaign. You can also leave it. So let's move on. These categories, I didn't touch it. Traffic options, I'm not going to edit it also. So I will just show you the best things to use. So let's move to the next thing. Let me explain assets. Assets is the main thing. That's where you set most of name. Let me use web design. So if you want to run it to app, if you want to use websites, messenger, calls, and so on, but our own aim is to send traffic to WhatsApp. So you make sure that you click on that WhatsApp. After clicking on the WhatsApp, this performance goal is to get maximize number of link clicks. Then after that, you select the page that you want to use to promote it. I have 14 pages here. Let me select the one. But make sure that the one you are going to select is connected to your WhatsApp. This one is connected to my WhatsApp. Let me click on it. Not ordinary WhatsApp, it has to be business WhatsApp. After that, this account is in dollar. If you want to use an account, you can use the one in naira. It depends on the settings that you set. So I'm going to sell this budget and schedule. I will put the daily budget. You can put any amount there, depending on your pocket. But I want to use $1. So you click on the start date, the date you want it to start. Today is 16 and the time is 11:38. So maybe I can make it to be 11:50. I will just put 11:50. It's the AM. Then you set the end date. Maybe I want it to run for 5 days or 2 days. Let me just click on 2 days. You set it. After that, you move on. Can click on show more options if you want to check it. Then the next thing is now to set the location. I want it to be in Nigeria. If I don't want it in Nigeria, I can click on edit and then change the country that I want. I can also search the location that I want. Click on it and search. But because I'm in Nigeria, I want it to run in Nigeria. If you click on this link, it will show different countries, different states you can search. But I want it to run in Nigeria. So I'll leave it like that. So the age, you can set the age that you want, maybe from 22 to 65 plus. Click on names. Gender, if you want it to show to only male or to both male and female, you can leave it in all genders. Also, the main thing now is targeting the interest of people. Because I want to run ads for website design, so I have to search anything related to web design. Can search for website design. So this is website design. I can click on it. If I click on these suggestions, it will show me more suggestions. This is web development, digital marketing, WordPress software, JavaScript computing, small business owners, and so on, e-commerce, retail. So you can use, after searching for the first one, you can use the suggestions to get more ideas. You look at it, you click on the one that is related to what you are trying to run your ads for. Since my heart is for web design, and don't forget, I will also need to click on students, because most likely students would be interested to learn web design. Can you see what I'm doing is that once you click on it, it will add it to the one up here. You click on the suggestions and then you click on it and you add it to it. So after that, let's say I'm okay with what I've done. I can go back and search for another interest again. Let me search for students. So it also shows different students for me. I can click on students education. I can I can also search for other things such as digital marketing. So it also show different one. I can click on it. So I can search for WordPress. So it will show WordPress.com, WordPress website as well. When you are through adding that, you can see that I have over 11 million here already. So let me continue. So language, I want English language, all English, both English, UK and US. That's all English. I can save this audience. I'll click on save audience so that in case I want to use it next time, I'll be able to use it. To save the audience, click on save this audience, and you can just put for web design. Let me just use it. So placements, then you click on the placement that you want. If you use the um, advanced placements, is to place your ads anywhere. But if I click on manual, I can be able to set it the way I want. I don't want the ads to be placed on Instagram. I want check Instagram. So let me scroll up to see where I don't want the ads to be displayed. Facebook video feed, I don't want it because I'm using image. It is not video. So I don't want it to display there. Reels, I don't want it there. In-app, I don't want it in-app, apps and sites. So I don't want it. So I will uncheck it, because if I don't uncheck it, Facebook will just display it anyway. So I still have 11 million, 10 million to 11 million estimated audience size. So when you are through with that, so you can click on next. So once you click on next, that's where you will be able, I can just add web design here also. So then you can now use creative source. You can choose what you want to upload. Because I want to use an image, manually upload, I want to upload it by myself. So single image or video. I'll be using image. Click on add media, add image. So this is the image that I want to add. But let's assume that I don't have it here. I can click on upload. So it will display, to take you to your gallery. You can select any image of your choice, click on it, and then you click on open. This is it, you click on open to open it. Then we cancel because I have the image here already. I'll just click on the image and then click on next. So it will show the image different sizes. If you want to crop it, you click on crop. If you want to crop it, crop, but I don't want to crop it, so I'll just click on next. So when you actually click on done, you click on done. After that, the next thing is, this is what it will display. The next thing is now to put your primary text, the text that you want to use to promote your ads. I've already copied it. I'll just paste it, Control V. So this is the text. So I can scroll up. Chat with us, the headline. So I want the call to action. I want it to send message to WhatsApp. So I'm not going to change that. So when you're through with your settings, this is it. This is the way the ads will display there. Click on publish. I'll click on publish. If I click on publish, so it will publish the ads for me. So it's showing publishing 3 of 3. So after publishing, Facebook still have to review it before the ads will now be active. Let me close this. I want to see the ads. So this is it. Okay. Let me check first. Okay, this is the one I've placed before, something like that. It has started running already. I just placed it. So $0.02 per click. The ads have started running. So that's how to so that's how to run your ads. Okay, you can also try your own processing. This is the one I just did. Stream processing. I placed $1. So this is it. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, let me know.